Hey, what's up, everybody? It's Mr. Gomez, and I'm here just to talk about today's signpost. Today's signpost is the memory moment. All right, so basically, what you do is when you're reading and the author interrupts the action to tell you a memory, you're going to stop and you're going to ask yourself, why might this memory be important? The answers will tell you about the theme, which is the life lesson, the conflict, which is the problem, or might foreshadow. Foreshadow means it's going to give you a clue of what's going to happen later that will happen later in the story. So I'm going to repeat. You're going to read the story. All right. The main character, which is whoever the story's about, they're going to have a memory. Like they're going to stop what they're doing. They're going to remember something. Whatever it is that they remember, you got to ask yourself. You are going to ask yourself, why might this memory be important? All right. Ask yourself that question when that happens. Whatever the answer is either going to tell you about the life lesson, which is the theme, the conflict, which is the problem, or it's going to give you a clue what's going to happen later, which is called a foreshadow. All right. If you have any questions, let us know.